Morning, guys. First weekend.
Weekend
Well,
day off.
Day off. Breakfast. Habol. Okay, so we have the vegetarian, the nern, chicken sausage. Ay, hindi ako mahilig.
Kasi lagi akong for the egg.
Waiting for the eggs. Yay! Only one for you? Bread. I will have full breakfast today. So guys, they already left for Red Q. They're going to the gym and use the facilities there, sauna. So as much as I would like to join them, kasi syempre, gusto ko rin naman mag-gym, gusto ko naman yan. However, I was loaded with this. Okay, so I have a lot of laundry today. I like this hotel actually. It's near everything. I heard that on the other hotel in Aeropolis, they don't have anything there. So you really have to bring all your stuff. And that's also the reason why I brought everything with me. I always think that it's better to bring a lot of things with you than not. So maybe next month we will be moving there, and I already have everything with me. I was speaking with my boyfriend, and he knows that I can do a lot of stuff in my life. I'm more than willing to wash all the plates in the house, even in the whole hotel. And I can cook. I can cook for the entire barangay. But this is not my forte, washing clothes. Especially doing it inside the toilet, like in a hotel toilet. Because it's quite small, the one that we have here. And inconvenient because of course when you're washing clothes you have to have pail, tabo or dipper, and then the water goes all over the place. And yeah, I just don't like kuskus. I don't like scrubbing the clothes, but it's actually good. I like the clothes hand washed, but not me. No choice. I don't have a choice today but to do the laundry downstairs. I'm hoping that it's working, because if not, then I have to do it manually. And good luck to me. So my boyfriend always advised me that time is money. There are a lot of things that you can do with your time. Of course, it goes both ways. Like if you are doing unproductive things when in fact you can be earning, then you're not utilizing your time very well. And just for this matter, for example, you can save a little bit by doing laundry by yourself, like for me, it's not my forte, so it might take me 3 hours. But that 3 hours, I can edit my videos, upload, or something like that. So if you are going to pay for something that will be beneficial for you, instead, that's a wise way to spend your money. But if, for example, you're just lazy, you don't want to do it, then no, you'd rather wash your clothes on your own. So let's go. I don't know how long the wash time is, so we'll have to go to the reception for that. Let's go. Okay.
Put your money inside.
Okay.
Okay, the token you can come again.
Okay. And then here is the
Okay.
washer.
Yeah, wash.
This one
the dryer,
first.
This wash.
So then here, yeah, we can put the coin lower. Of course, first we use the washer. Lower. I hope it works, my god. And then we can choose which temperature. So warm, I think, for me. And then start. So basically, if I read it, that's what it says. Here's the instruction. Load the clothes, insert the coin, press start. Yeah, 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
Okay,
10 ringgit.
thank you so much, yeah. They're very nice. So, you also have here the ironing board, so it's good. Then, it will automatically have the detergent and softener. Here, we just have to put the 10 ringgit and then press confirm to get it. But I didn't press. I didn't put it yet, so let's go. Yay, we have it. So, let's try. So we have lower, insert coin. Okay. Push, warm. Okay, so for the dryer, if it's dirty, then we have to take out the filter and clean it. So while waiting, we can take it out. Yay! It's clean. No need to do it. So yeah, we are going to wait for it to finish. That's it. After ilang minutes, let's check. Since it's only 30 minutes, we have to come back. Okay. Yay! Oh, we have the same. This is LG then. So it has the sound. Okay, so when it's done, yan, bang, check natin. Smells nice. So it says here to check if this is okay. Malinis naman siya. So just have to put all of them there. Let's go. Okay, so here, replace it. Okay. Confirm. Yay. So earlier, we put it lower for the washer. And then now, we're going to put it in the dryer. So. Oh yes, it worked now. Dryer and start. Which one, Ned? so we're back here in the room. Ayun, okay naman yung experience. Straightforward siya. So, I think LG yung washing machine because it has the same sound with our front-loading machine at home. It's good, straightforward. As you saw, you just have to put your 10 ringgit because they have a banknote, and then it will give you a coin wherein you'll just have to press it. I had a difficulty in the beginning because I thought it was not working. When I put the coin, it went back. So parang ayaw niya ako to use the dryer. But I thought about it. If I don't use the dryer, I actually can have that option to use the dryer and then just, because I brought a lot of hangers with me. However, where will I hang it? So I don't have, even though like if I want to put a rope or something where I can hang the clothes, I just didn't think it was worth it. So it's also 10 ringgit to dry the clothes, and at the same time I thought if I will be able to dry it, it's gonna be easier to iron because I know myself, I'm not a very good manual washer. So yeah, I used it already. It's nice and fresh. It smells nice, by the way, and it's dry. Like, that's technology. I know that like for some people who are probably living in the first world, it's normal, but in the Philippines there are still a lot of people who's doing manual washing and we just dry it under the sun. So yeah, as you know that a lot of people are still hanging clothes outside. It's a cultural thing and we love all kinds of people, so yeah, we don't mind. But for now, yes, before I continue to speak a lot of things, let me iron. So we brought our own iron. There's an ironing board downstairs also, but it's really hot. So what I did, of course, I just put the laundry and then put the coin, waited inside the lobby, like in the restaurant area, so there's AC because now it's summer season in Asia. And yeah, after that I just move it to the dryer, put the coin, and it dries. So they do actually have an ironing board there, and iron. However, it's so hot, I'll just have to iron here in the room using the bed. But yeah, I really miss the kabayo. I call it kabayo. It's like kabayo is horse, but I don't know. We can call it. No, I don't know. I really don't know. Kabayo. I don't think that you're actually gonna ride that, right? It doesn't look like horse either. Like Filipino thing. So there, yeah. I think if I do it like laundry, I do the laundry, my clothes will be all wrinkly, and I did it. But it's really hard and it's not nice. It's really wrinkly. So now is the perfect time to iron them really well, press them really well. I don't believe in the gusot mayaman. Gusot mayaman, they say that it's okay that your clothes are wrinkly, but I'm old school. So I like it when it's nicely pressed and ironed. I even use almirol, but I don't think I will be using it here in the hotel. Because I believe that you only have one life to live, and you meet everyone, you greet everyone. Tomorrow maybe you're not here anymore. Right? So just be happy, do nice stuff, and dress well. So that's about it for my first weekend, because last weekend straight away from Philippines we almost all went to the Central, and we had like photos and videos in Petronas. We had a lot of fun, but of course, moving to another country, I'm used to moving, packing and unpacking stuff, but not everyone, because I'm with a lot of younger people with me. So I thought that it was, yeah, jam-packed for last week. This weekend, I have to do all the packing again, repacking, so that it will be strategic for next week. I don't need to open, close, and open, close. Thank you very much for watching my vlog. So to more cabin crew videos, please like and subscribe.